Hey y'all, it's Maggie from the Willow Tree, and today I'm going to show y'all a day in the life of a shipping team employee. As I'm walking in, I'm just going to say hey to everybody, then I'm just going to find an open computer and clock in. After I clock in, there's normally orders already set aside, and I'm just going to grab one of them and then go back to the back and grab y'all's items. After I grab up all the items, I'm just going to scan all the barcodes, stick it in some bubble wrap to make sure it's all protected. And then I'm going to grab a thank you card, and then I'm going to write you guys a little note. After I write the note, I'm just going to grab a poly mailer, stick it in there, put the shipping label on it, and then put a sticker on it. I love these stickers. They say pretty things inside. After I do that, I'm just going to throw it in a bin. After lunch, we have a couple of items that need to be tagged, so I'm going to sort them out in sizes and color, and I'm just going to plot the tags on them. And after I'm done doing that, I'm going to go find an open home and put those in there. Then I'm going to go into our app and put the location. At the end of the day, I'm going to clean up all my area, walk out, clock out, and say goodbye to everybody. And we had such a great day here at the Willow Tree Warehouse.